Hi everybody, this is Frank and Teske at MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. I'm here to show you our 2022 Sea Ray 310 SLX IO trade-in. This boat is equipped with the through-hole exhaust captain's choice, which we'll show you in a minute. But in the back here, we do have sun pad seating with flip-up backrests. This is in the stone interior color with that matching flooring. So you have sea deck on the swim platform and you have the woven vinyl inside. Stepping into the boat, wet bar area here, ice tray, another little compartment here, sink, garbage can, and a refrigerator. Pete will give me a shot up. So right back here we have the sunshade. This is the fixed fiberglass hard top. Plenty of storage underneath all the seating here. L-shaped seat on the port side. And the co-captain's chair is double wide and spins around. Thigh-high bolster for both people. Pete will give us a nice shot of our helm there. 145 hours on the motors. Here's where we can do the through-hole exhaust. Makes it sound a little beefier. Twin screens, Simrad, Fusion stereo system, all our halo switching on the port side. Head setup with a vacuum flush, some storage on the side there with a sink. And I'll let Pete make his way up towards the bow. This has the upgraded spotlight, tables for the forward seatings on this side, windlass, and then a wash down right here. So again, 2022 Sea Ray 310 SLX, located here at MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. My name is Frank and Teske. See you out on the water.